Good morning, Ms. Sangeeta Kuslani. I would like to begin by asking you to talk a bit about yourself and your business.
Good morning. I'm Sangeeta Khushlani. I'm running my own company called Excellent Technology and Solution. I'm running this business for past 15 years now, and I'm postgraduate in business management. And I'm an alumni from ISB Hyderabad, and I'm a computer engineer by profession. So I have two daughters. They are very passionate about painting and into art field, and we are doing a computer hardware business. We sell, rent, and we do all sort of IT products, whether it is a networking solution, server, projector, plasma, everything we are doing.
Wow. And how did you come up with this idea?
After doing my computer engineering, most of my friends moved into software development, or I was the only one who chose to be in the computer hardware industry. There was few special reasons for it. One, I was quite inclined towards technical stuff, and I wanted to really feel what is there inside the computer. So I started with computer hardware, but as long as my business is concerned, I got this idea from lot of organization where I was supplying the computers. I just came across somebody who was looking for some computer for a short term, and he was not getting it. Like, you're making this project and you just need computer just specifically for a day. I'm talking about long ago, where it was not so common. It was so expensive. People could not afford. So somebody wanted a computer on rent for just a day, and that was the triggering point. I thought I had computer. If I can lease it and rent it for a day and I can get some money, why not? So that was the beginning of it. And now you see everybody is so dependent on technology, and I am encashing it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What were the key challenges that you faced at the beginning?
Business I was planning to start required a lot of capital. Like, you need to have a lot of money, because if you're trying to give some computers on rent to people, you have to have your own computers first. So, and that time the computer cost was not less than 50,000. So even a basic computer used to cost was about 50,000. So getting into an industry wherein it was so important, there was so much of capital required. So these were the major challenges which I faced. Besides that, hiring a team and having an office, where to start from, what should be my target segment, whom should I target, whether I should go for corporate clients, or I should be going with your residential areas, or I should be catering to SMEs. I was not very clear about it. But I think when you decide something and you want to do something, God is always there with you, and you sail through.
Have you ever had these kind of mind blocks where you don't know what to do further when you're like a wall has built in front of you, has been built in front of you?
Absolutely. You know what happens when you're starting something and there are hurdles are coming, you don't get your payments on time, you have got challenges like the staff is not retained with you, there's no retention of people, other lot of other challenges. If I talk about, it is definitely you feel that it was better you working, you were not answerable, you used to get your paycheck by 30th of the month, and you were so good, it was so comfortable. So it is difficult, no doubt. The challenges are there, but you always sail through the challenges, because you need a space where you want to work, and then you want to hire a team. So that's it.
Okay. And which company would you say is your biggest competition?
If I talk about an IT industry, like there are many competitors. There are lots of them. If I need to specify, specify one or two, I can say a name called Computer Junction. Computer Junction is a huge company. I would love to say that, when I started, when I was in my job, I used to supply them computers through my organization, whether it was an HP or Lenovo or Dell. But it was like, when I started my business, I got a lot of idea from them also. And currently, if I talk about, they are huge people in this particular industry, wherein they give lots of computer on rental.
How is your venture different from this company?
Yes, the competitor I'm talking about, Computer Junction, is solely and completely into IT rental. And my USP is I'm not only into rental, I'm also into selling and servicing of goods for clients. There's so much of capital in infrastructure, IT infrastructure, they will not be able to focus on their core business, what they're planning to do. So what happens is, if the companies like Computer Junction are offering these to only large corporates, they do not take risk with small people. They don't do small handholdings. More or less, I would like to say that, people, I have no reservations that I cannot give it to individuals. I have no reservations that I cannot deal with a small SME or a small company or a startup, whereas this company is completely focused on large corporates only.
Wow, that's a lot of information, and I'm glad that you shared it. And just last, this is going to be the last question. What advice would you give a young entrepreneur?
To young entrepreneurs, I would like to give an advice that, there is nothing they can't do it. There is nothing they can't do it. First of all, one, I would like to tell them that they should love themselves. You should nurture yourself. You can blossom the way you want. You should do whatever you are, is there in your mind. And no one can stop you if you would like to, start with any of your small ideas, like the way you are starting today. I'm really so proud of you. So all the youngsters, those who are, planning to start, there are so many opportunities available. There is so much to do in life. And I would say that whatever is there in your mind, please do it. Please do it. Do not ever hesitate in doing something. And you believe me that it is your attitude which, takes you to the height. It's not your aptitude, basically. So take care of your attitude and keep flying high.
Thank you so much for giving
You're
us.
welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much, Beta.